Today I'm going to be telling you about two awesome little lights that I think any vlogger, YouTuber, live streamer, or creative person should get. And before we dive into them, I just want to say that they are both under $20. What? You can go down into the description and you can see links to all the stuff we're talking about today, plus a surprise link to some really cool tech. And if you're in a hurry, you can check down at the bottom for the time chapters so you can skip ahead. I'm looking out for you, the person in a hurry. 1 second. Hey, welcome to my channel where I review just about anything and everything that comes my way. So Ulanzi has been absolutely amazing to my channel. They watched another review of their product that I did and they were like, hey, can we send you some more stuff to review? I'm like, yeah, that would be amazing, thank you. But also a lot of the thanks goes to you guys subscribing to this channel and helping it grow, and those remembering to hit that thumbs up button if they could reach it, and all the positive feedback that I've had in the comments. So I really do appreciate every single one of you guys watching. All right, so we're gonna start with the VL30. It's called the VL30 Super Mini Video Light. Yeah, it's small, it's easy to use, and guess what? It has a USB-C connection to charge, so no more of this crap. The rechargeable battery can last up to 60 minutes. You can mount it with a cold shoe or a screw thread. And it has a cold shoe on the top, so you can add an extra accessory like a microphone. One of my favorite features of it is it comes with a rubber diffuser. That way the light isn't super harsh on you when you're vlogging. But for the real test, let's turn off the lights. Don't adjust your sets. The camera isn't off. Ready? Let's turn this thing on. It's got 4 levels of brightness, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it's got SOS mode. But just look at how bright that is. If you were to set it on your camera, it does a great job. Obviously it looks better without glasses, or if you have glasses, try not to look directly at it or light your subject so it's a little bit different. All right, let me tell you about the price. $13. Yeah, really, $13. That's an amazing price for this. I mean, for that price, you might as well just buy it, and then you can just keep it with you in case you need it. So the next light I want to review will add some color to your videos. This is the VL49 RGB Mini LED Video Light. It connects via cold shoe or screw thread. Wait, what did I just read? It has a magnetic back. Hold on. Wow. It has 3 cold shoe mounts for different accessories. It charges via USB-C cable. Turn it on and off, it's pretty quick. And the menu system's pretty good. I mean, it can switch between the brightness and the color. So if you don't want it too harsh, we can turn down that intensity. And then you can change it to basically any color you want, just by this diagram right here. Oh, and if you just want it to be a light, you just press and hold this button right here. Now it's a light. And you can change the color temperature of it as well, from warm to cold. Ready? Turn the lights off. Just see behind me, it's very bright. It's so bright. Let's change the intensity. This is 100%. So that's 50%. This thing is a beast, man. Wow. The colors are very bright and vibrant. This looks amazing. I think it'd be really cool to have a couple of these things. You could have some in your background to just kind of give different color perspectives, or even just like half lighting your face with a color. That looks pretty cool. And guess what? It just comes in under $20. So after seeing both of these, you might be like, why would I even choose the VL30? Because the VL49 can basically do it all. And it's a great question, and I'm gonna answer your question with a question. Why not have both? I mean, seriously, you should just get both of them. I mean, if you use both lights, you can have like color going behind you and then your prime subject is lit. It's for $33, like that combination, like that's insane. I feel like if you went into any camera shop looking for something similar, it's gonna be in the $100 range. So my advice is to buy them as quick as you can before Ulanzi realizes what their products are actually worth, which is a lot more. Okay, that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching. Ulanzi did send me some more gear that I'm gonna review on future videos. Also some more GoPro videos coming up on this channel. Yeah, hopefully I'll see you on the next one. Thanks, guys. Has that been in there the whole time? Aw.